All right, Corey, where are we?
We are at Sycamore Trails disc golf course here in Miamisburg, Ohio. Our home course. We've probably each played this about 100 times, so we know the course very well, but we have 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so it's going to be pretty interesting today.
And I'm doing odds, and you're evens, right?
That's correct.
All right, no warm-up, no nothing, no stretching. We're just getting right into it.
Once again, Keegan will be playing off the odd holes.
Little comet here. See if I can get a turnover. Should be a right to left wind though.
Alright, after that shot, Keegan is about 150 feet to the basket. It's right behind that big tree right there. And that's going to be OB in the water. That's nice. Alright, so Keegan is in the water, so this will be our fourth shot right here. And he's going to throw it up, and it'll be just short to the pin. That'll be a tap in for double bogey. 5 on the first hole. We were 2 over.
Okay, here we go, hole 2. Got about 300 feet uphill. What are you going with here?
This is a fairly new Star T-Bird 3, 170 grams. A little stable still, so we'll see how far.
Squared up that tree. Fairway.
Yeah. Alright, we made it to hole 3. This will be the first par 4 of the day. Anyone that knows this course, there's always a ripping headwind on this hole. Today is a lot, it's even worse than it usually is. There's always a parking lot. Overstable fairway here. That is huge. Might have been a roller.
No idea what happened.
So over there where the camera's pointing, that's the ideal landing spot. Turn over forehand over into there, and the basket's about 200 uphill. But Keegan actually threw a roller in. We are currently on 18's fairway looking for the disc. Alright, so I guess we didn't see the disc very well, but Keegan actually hit one of the last trees and ended up in the woods. That's going to roll up real nicely. Birdie is almost impossible from there. We got 100-foot upshot to the pin with a obstructed view with a lot of trees in the way, but should be able to par from there. Alright, so here's the lie. Like I said, about 100, well over 100 uphill to the pin. A very obstructed putt. Looks like he might be going to, what is this, a grenade? He is. Looks like it's going to hit a tree. It's going to be a 25-footer uphill to save the par.
Conditions because of this gap used to be a lot tighter. This is not a normal thing.
What a par save. Good for a almost disastrous drive. Be able to come up very well in his second shot and a pretty bad layup with his third shot, but still able to cash it in for par.
Their game is pretty impressive. I would have liked it to work a little bit better.
Off to hole 4. Hole 4, Sycamore, par 3, 147 feet. Plays a little uphill, so a little further than that it plays, but this is pretty a wooded hole, so I'm not too worried about the wind here, so I'm going to still go with my usual pick shot. We'll back in, have it flex out at the end, see how it goes.
What a shot. All right, we finally made it to Corey's lie here. Need a reminder, we're this far from the tee pad. He's going forehand, touch shot. Not bad. Gonna be about 35 feet for a putt. Save his par. Got this left for par, scary putt. Oh, what a run. That looked good out of the hand.
Yeah, it looks great. Fortunately, the tailwind might have knocked it down, but, you know, we got plenty of golf left to play. So we'll be all right. Hole number 5 at Sycamore. This is a par 3. Pin is in the A position. It's going to be a 273-foot shot. Pretty flat. Pretty big headwind on this hole. The basket's going to be tucked into the trees. So we'll see what he goes with here.
Go MD5.
MD5. Alright. Oh. The wind is playing with it. You know?
Way short.
Yeah, pretty short, but had the right line on it.
That shot's full.
Yeah, like you said, he's gonna be in the woods. He's about circles 2 edge, I would say. I don't know what kind of window he's got in there, but we'll see what we can do with it. Looks like it's in pretty nice. He's gonna be parked. It's gonna be a tap in for par there. What a!
I actually thought that was going.
Thought it was going in, but it didn't, sadly. You know what? We'll take a tap in par on this hole. Hole 6 is another easy get, hopefully. So we'll see how it goes. And off to hole 6.
Our hole 6, 340, ripping tailwind.
Got a understable T-bird 3 here. I've had in the back about 2 or 3 years ago. Should ride nicely in this tailwind.
Fingers crossed, probably won't. It's probably gonna suck. Just kidding, that looks good. It's gonna go about a mile. Oh wait, no, it's fading quickly.
Maybe a little short, but should have circle's edge, sort of. Let's see what we get up there.
Nice looking drive here. We've got about 20 feet, 25 feet right to left wind to get the putt for birdie. I can definitely use one at this point. It's checking the wind for some reason. Oh, and he completely whiffs. Well, at least he'll have an easy putt for par. Can't get them all.
Alright, in the middle of the fairway on hole 7. Again, ripping headwind. This is a par 4, 480 feet. It'll be alright. I think most people like to land in here and go through that gap, but we can definitely go over the top there. We'll see about this wind though, if it'll let us, but the basket's about 200, 250-ish past that tree line right there. So Keegan is now at his lie. I am standing at that old gap I'd say most people like to go through, but I think he's gonna be going over the top right here. There's the basket right there. See what he goes with. Yep, it's going up. Looks like that wind just pushing it right back, and over the tree line, but it's still gonna be about 150 short to the pin. Okay, so we made it to Keegan's lie. No, again about.
Not bad. I'll take it.
Yeah, like 120-ish to the basket. Again, so this is a par 4, so all right, just over it. You should be able to put it in for par, but who knows with this wind, so we'll see when we get up there. So Keegan's about 10 feet, so I mean, it's no gimme here with this wind. Not much right now. I hope he gets it off real quick. And he does it. Secures the par. And we will be on our way to hole 8.
Here are hole 8.
You what?
What? Hole 8's about 339. Gonna want to push those two trees. That corner right there is very heavy, but you want to get out straight. What are you throwing here?
You know, I'm not too sure about the wind situation here. I don't feel anything, but I feel like it's gonna be a tailwind. But I'm going with the new end of a Hawkeye. Flies pretty straight, does good in the tailwind, which I'm hoping is up there. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, definitely a tailwind out there. That thing usually turns a little bit and flies pretty straight. So, I mean, it'll be an easy par from there. So, I mean, can't complain with that.
I laid it up like a puss. See, he has ice in his veins here. Left a lot left to go here. Oh, ice.
It's the first play I've had with not ripping wind. So, fine. Hole 9. We are at the final hole of the front 9. Basket's gonna be an A372. I mean, I don't think I even need to tell the people at home what kind of wind we have on this hole, but
Ripping headwind. Major highway, state route highway on the right side, OB.
yeah, it's very busy.
Don't want to catch a windshield.
No, I imagine you're gonna throw something pretty overstable here.
Very overstable.
I can't tell how many times we've almost hit a car on this hole.
We're trying to be aggressive though. Once these cars go by.
Oh. Well, that's just going to be just fine, I'd say. That's going to be about 80 feet to the pin, I'd say. Should be an easy picture from there.
I hope it's in circle 1.
I mean, it's hard to tell from here. There is an OB creek behind us. He's going to have to be a little careful running it, but we'll see when we get up there. We got to Keegan's Lie, and looks like one of the hoodlums of Miamisburg put a log in the basket, or a tree stump. I mean, he's a little outside the circle. Definitely gonna be a scary putt with the creek plant behind it. And there's a little wind coming up from over there, so we'll see what he does. Oh, just splashes out. Hey, but
So close.
he'll take a par on this hole with these conditions any day. And that will wrap up the front 9 off to hole 10.